how to fix Snapchat waiting to send on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat waiting to send on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here just type Snapchat and then click on it. And first thing you need to do here is to click storage and then click clear cache, and after that you go to data usage and allow all of those here, background data, don't forget this one, and that's it. After that just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem it means that you need to clear data, but after clearing data you will need to log in again, and but your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.